In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people to a Trello board. Whether you're opening Trello for the first time or you just want to polish your workflow, getting collaborators onto the right board quickly and safely is essential. I'll walk you through exactly how I do it, with clear choices depending on whether you want hands-on help or simple view-only access. Start by opening the board where you want someone to collaborate. At the top right, you'll see the Share button. This is your hub for bringing people in. Click it, and you'll get a search field where you can look up the person by their name, their Trello username, or their email address. If you're not sure which one to use, email is usually the most reliable, especially for teammates who might have similar names. Once you've found the right person, choose their role. If you want them to actively move cards, add checklists, upload attachments, and collaborate with you, select Member. If you'd rather they only view what's happening without making edits, great for stakeholders, clients, or anyone who just needs visibility, select Observer. This is a nice way to keep your workflow controlled while still being transparent. And don't worry, you can always change someone's role later if their responsibilities evolve. After setting the role, click Share. That sends an invitation right away, and the person will be prompted to join the board. If they already use Trello, they'll usually see a notification. If they're new, they'll be guided to create an account before they come in. There's also a flexible alternative when you don't have someone's details handy. Inside the same Share panel, look for Invite with Link and click Create Link. This generates a unique invite URL you can send through your preferred channel, maybe a team chat, a project management thread, or an email. It's quick and convenient, especially for fast-moving projects or larger groups. Just remember, treat the link like a key to your board. Only share it with people you trust, and consider removing or regenerating it once your team is in. That's the whole process. Open the board, hit Share, find the person, pick the right role, and confirm. Or create an invite link when that's easier. Simple, deliberate, and built for clarity. If you found any value in today's video, hitting like is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others discover our content. We're always looking to grow, so drop a note in the comments. What helped, what you'd tweak, or what you want next. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build.